everyone! Today we're going to cover some information for our first class. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be summarizing each week or pretty frequently during the next 8 weeks relevant aspects that I think are necessary to highlight for each specific module and or class. So in today's video, we're gonna cover several aspects. One is going to be how is a DSM-5 structure and how can you guys do an accurate diagnosis using the DSM-5 correctly, particularly as it applies to children and adolescents. I'm going to be covering how developmental stages and knowing a little bit about where your client is in terms of his or her developmental stage impacts or affects diagnosing and ultimately case formulation. Finally, I want to discuss with you how to case formulate properly. This is very important for me because this is what you will be doing for your final examination. So I want to have you guys understand well what is the appropriate process of diagnosing and developing a case formulation. Luckily for you, I have provided, I think, are 2 examples in the course materials section. I think they're labeled case formulation examples from other students so that you can see how other students that have performed well in exams have done their formulation. And aside from that, the textbook from Galanter and Jensen offers very good examples of case formulation. So I think that's going to give you an idea for those of you that are more visual and need a little bit of more practice. It's going to give you a better idea on how to do a proper case formulation, including diagnosis. So we're going to start with our first topic, how the DSM-5 is structured, and then we'll take it from there.